Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase any furniture at the furniture store in Heartopia. Okay, first of all guys, I'm going to show you how you can find the furniture store. You can open your map and then you're going to find Bob to visit the furniture store. Okay, as you can see right here, the owner of the furniture store is Bob. And then you can click on track and then you just need to follow the guide. Okay, this is the guide guys. You need to go to the store in the town and then here you will be able to buy any furniture that you want. For example, I'm going to buy wait. Okay, I think I need to buy this sofa or this refrigerator. Okay, I think I'm going to buy this one guys. I'm going to purchase. Okay, done. I've already purchased the fridge. Okay, and let me check in my inventory. Okay, it's here and I can place it on my house. Okay guys, and that's how you can purchase any furniture in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.